Welcome to the Banannie Diaries on YouTube. This is the platform where you will find some videos that I don't post anywhere else, and today is one of those videos. I will be recording an unboxing of some products that some brands have sent me recently. I'm really excited to show these to you. First things first, when it comes to unboxings, yes, these were all gifted, but I really try my best to only accept products that I would personally use or from brands that have always supported me or just in general brands that I love. So let's go through some of these goodies because I'm really excited to start incorporating them into my routine. As always, I will include some links in the description box below, so that way you can check out some of these if any of these seem intriguing to you. They are affiliate links, so thank you in advance for supporting me and my content. First things first, I did open it, but I haven't tried it yet. These are from IQ Mix. These are the electrolytes. So it says it also has magnesium and adaptogens, 0 grams of sugar. There's 20 sticks in this pack. So I'll show you what it looks like. It opens up there on the back. Blood orange, lemon lime, blueberry pomegranate, and peach mango. I'm so excited to try those. I, of course, will post a video when I try it for the first time. Up next, I already have one of these out of the package because I just used it for the first time. Tower 28. I love them so much for their makeup. This is my first time trying their skincare, and I have to admit, these products have been on my list. The one that I used today, this is the SOS Rescue and Relief Body Wash Treatment. I use this primarily on my chest and my back today in the shower. If you've heard me say it before, I have a very active lifestyle, lots of sweat, lots of activity going on. So I do tend to have irritation and breakouts on my chest and my back. I'm really excited to add this into my routine though, because let's see if I pronounce everything correctly. Powered by sodium hypochlorite, this gentle, non-drying body wash cleanses, hydrates, and soothes skin prone to irritation, eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, and acne. Skin looks smoother, clearer, and healthier. That's what the package says. I am really excited to see my results. Today was my first day of using it, so I'm going to use that consistently, and then I will get back to you on my thoughts. Also in the package, this is the jumbo size of the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Let's see. It has similar ingredients. Our hero ingredient, hypochloric acid, maximizes your good skin days by reducing the appearance of redness and supporting the skin's renewal process for all skin types, especially sensitive skin havers. So this is the version that can be sprayed on your face. I'm really excited to try that. And then last but not least, I also have a little lip jelly. These are probably my favorite lip products from them. This is the shade Pistachio, which I'm just so excited for. It's like a very beautiful, muted, mauve-y kind of pink. I'm really excited to try that. I didn't do all of my skincare yet though. That's why I'm not putting it on yet. I still need to put my red light face mask on today. So I will try it in another video. I am obsessed already and I haven't even tried it. This is Ballerina Farm. They sent me their Farmer Protein. This is the flavor Maple Cinnamon. I'm going to be honest, I really wanted to try other flavors. In addition to this, I do like the idea of the Maple Cinnamon, but they literally had none available, which tells me that this is just very popular and probably very good. One thing that I absolutely love about them is one of their owners is a ballerina. So you know from my experience and my current lifestyle full of ballroom dancing, this is right up my alley. So that's the protein powder. This is a single serve. They had so many other flavors. I will link them for you. And here is just a little bit more information on their brand, Ballerina Farm. I'm so excited to dive in and see what else they have. Okay, this right here is, I hope I say this right, Kulfi. They sent me their Ice Berry Main Match Concealer. Let's take it out of the package. This is it right here. So we will see how this goes on. But I've never tried their products before, so I'm excited to try those. Right here, I have a package from Kind Patches. I am literally getting ready to have my time of the month, so this came at a perfect time. This is it right here. 30 period relief patches. I've never tried this before. It has eucalyptus oil, menthol, iron, camphor, ginger extract, lavender oil, chamomile extract. As always, do your research before you use something like this. Everybody's different, but I'm excited to look into these and try these. It says, how does it work? Each patch uses skin-friendly ingredients that bypass your gut, delivering nutrients directly through the skin for steady all-day support. So I'm excited to see if this can help me bring some relief during my time of the month, because it is quite the experience. All right, up next. This is from Dove. They sent me a deodorant body mist. Let's take it out of here. Yours truly. So Bridgerton, Shondaland, and Netflix. Dearest gentle reader, indulge your senses with this fruity and gourmand scent that leaves you feeling positively pampered. Raspberry Rendezvous. So deodorant body mist. I believe I'm gonna have to look this up more because it says deodorant, but then it also says body mist. It says lightly spritz or use as a head to toe mist. I don't know that it's actually deodorant. It might just be a body mist. I don't know. Stay tuned because I need to look this up. Another package I have, this is a brand new brand for me called Prequel. They have sent me Barrier Therapy Rich Skin Protectant Cream. That just sounds so luxurious. So this is pH 6, colloidal oatmeal. I don't know how to say that. Multiceramides and something else I don't know how to say. But this is it. I will do a little bit more research so that way in my next video when I use it I can be a bit more informative. But it's a rich skin protectant cream for the face and body, alleviates minor irritation and itchiness due to dryness and eczema. It's formulated with colloidal oatmeal, ceramides, and the other things I couldn't say. This intensely moisturizing cream absorbs easily and provides relief to dry, distressed skin, developed for dry to very dry skin. Well, it is wintertime and my skin is dry as can be, so I will be lathering this on and letting you know what I think about it. But my first impression, it sounds luxurious. I love how big the container is. So for me, I'm always drawn to a body lotion container that actually looks like it could cover my body numerous times. So I'm really excited to try this. Thank you, Prequel. And last but not least, this brand will always have a soft spot in my heart. I love Coco Kind. They have literally supported me in my journey at the Banannie Diaries since almost the beginning, and I truly just love and appreciate them so much. Their products have been absolutely wonderful for my sensitive skin. I have done other YouTube videos where the entire YouTube video is literally Coco Kind because so many of their products are in my routine. This is their brand new, which I'm so excited. Thank you for sending this to me. This is the brand new Milky Soft Face and Body Cleanser. There's just so much I love about this already, and I haven't even tried it yet. So first off, it's only $18. I say only because this is the size. This is a great size for $18. So for a cleanser, this lightweight milky gel hybrid gently cleanses the face and body, removing makeup and dirt without stripping skin. It delivers the deep clean feel of a gel with the hydrating barrier supporting benefits of a milk, leaving skin soft, calm, and comfortable. That just sounds absolutely wonderful, and I'm seriously so excited to use this. One thing I'm going to point out that I love when brands do a little reminder of, I'm going to say, the order of operations, the order of how you should be applying your skincare. That for me is just like the most perfect reminder because there are so many brands that come out with so many products. And to be quite honest, sometimes there's just so much, I don't even know what order to put them on in. So I absolutely love that they do this. Cleanser, toner, treatment, moisturizer, SPF. That's perfection. When it comes to products that treat acne, I already mentioned before that I like to use products to treat my chest and my back for acne, irritation, things like that. I've noticed that a lot of the products I've used in the past cause some serious dryness. So I'm hoping that this could be something that does not irritate my skin because I trust Coco Kind and also can bring a little bit of moisture back after I've applied some acne treatments. Thank you, Coco Kind. I am so excited to try this and genuinely so happy to be a part of your family. You guys always make my day with my little packages. Thank you. Okay, that is everything that I've received recently. I will film another one as soon as more goodies arrive. Again, this is a little YouTube exclusive unboxing. I don't generally do unboxings on other platforms, so welcome to the YouTube community. Hit that subscribe button and let's have some fun.